So basically, this is how the US government funds all of our stuff, right? In addition to tax revenue, we sell debt, we sell treasuries, we pay an interest rate on those treasuries and bonds. And other countries historically have bought them because we were good for the money, we're good for the debt. However, that has changed dramatically. So China and Japan used to be 22% of treasury demand, but they've recently fallen to as low as 7%. So they're not buying US treasuries anymore. This is important to watch because nation states and their central banks tend to be price insensitive. It's not a good thing that we're starting to see that. Thankfully, we're watching a new buyer of treasuries show up right when the United States needs them the most. So remember, we have $36 trillion in debt, right? That means a lot of outstanding treasuries and fewer and fewer people buying that debt. That's why the interest rate on these treasuries is going up because the debt has gotten so big that people say, well, I don't know if you're as creditworthy as you used to be. So maybe we'll kind of hold off unless you pay us more money in interest. So right on time, stablecoins come to the rescue and become a buyer of last resort, whereas nobody else wants to touch US treasuries. So stablecoin issuers are already a top 20 holder of US treasuries collectively. This trend has accelerated in recent years, so there's a strong argument that stablecoin issuers will be a top 10 holder in short order. So you can kind of see here, Japan is number one with a tremendous amount. This is all in billions, so trillions of dollars worth. And you can see it kind of falls off, but then we get down to stablecoins. And that's pretty amazing. So stablecoin companies now hold more US treasuries than our neighbors to the south, Mexico. And it's just going to keep growing. And
Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live weekly classes with trade picks or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.